T-Mobile incoming calls not ringing is a common issue related to network infrastructure, device compatibility, and software glitches. T-Mobile has improved since 2023, with a 40% reduction in reported cases compared to 2024. However, intermittent problems persist, especially during peak hours and in rural areas. Common causes include SIM card issues, network handoff failures from VoLTE to Wi-Fi calling, and incorrect device settings. Network handoff failures between VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling can prevent calls from ringing properly. This issue remains a frustration for some users. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. Consider getting a free replacement from T-Mobile, either in-store or by mail, as outdated or faulty SIMs can cause call failures. Next, verify basic phone settings. Is airplane mode off? Have you restarted your phone recently? Are call forwarding settings disabled? These simple steps resolve many call ringing issues. If you have an eSIM, software bugs can sometimes be the culprit. Network settings play a crucial role in ensuring your T-Mobile calls ring properly. Let's focus on two key areas for Android devices. First, confirm that enhanced 4G LTE mode is enabled in your network settings. This mode ensures that voice calls are routed correctly over the LTE network, preventing issues with incoming calls. Next, check your Wi-Fi calling settings. Issues can arise when your phone struggles to hand off calls between VoLTE and Wi-Fi networks. Try toggling Wi-Fi calling off and on, or disabling it temporarily to test if that resolves the ringing problem. Finally, make sure T-Mobile Wi-Fi calling is set as the priority in your settings for optimal call connectivity. T-Mobile's My T-Mobile app features built-in diagnostic tools to help troubleshoot call ringing issues. Start by opening the app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the Diagnostics or Troubleshooting section. This area contains tools specifically designed for network issues. Select the Network Check option to scan for potential issues with your connection or account. The app will analyze your signal strength and account settings. The app's troubleshooting features have improved significantly, leading to more users resolving issues on their own. User data shows a 25% increase in self-resolved cases through the app since 2024, thanks to its improved troubleshooting features. The app can often detect and fix common problems automatically, such as connection issues or account errors. It also provides step-by-step guidance tailored to your specific device and account. For example, the app may guide you through additional steps like connecting to Wi-Fi or verifying settings. The app provides device-specific instructions, such as for iPhone setup, to ensure compatibility with T-Mobile's network. Keep your phone's operating system up to date, whether it's Android or iOS. These updates often include important fixes for network compatibility issues that can prevent calls from ringing. Older devices, especially those from before 2020, are more likely to have problems with T-Mobile's latest network technologies like advanced 5G features. T-Mobile also pushes out carrier services updates through notifications. Keep an eye out for these as they help maintain proper call routing. If the issue persists, despite updates, consider upgrading to a newer phone model. Modern devices are better equipped to handle T-Mobile's current network standards. T-Mobile is investing heavily in AI-driven diagnostics to proactively prevent call failures before they happen. They're deploying smart network updates that use machine learning to predict and prevent outages automatically. By 2027, T-Mobile aims to reduce call failure rates to below 1%, automating issue detection and resolution for better reliability. Telecom analysts rate T-Mobile's call quality highly, but a percentage of users still report ringing failures, often linked to app interference like VPNs or battery optimizers. Experts emphasize the importance of understanding network settings. While T-Mobile has made significant progress, ongoing support and user education are crucial for resolving these persistent issues. Cybersecurity threats, like SIM spoofing, may also introduce new challenges in the future.